Here to introduce magnesium chloride ball press equipment of 6 technical advantages. First, magnesium chloride ball press using hydraulic cylinder pressure. Hydraulic system has an accumulator, not only to ensure the forming pressure, but also to ensure the stable operation of equipment. 2. Magnesium chloride ball press forming roller. Using mosaic structure, on-site disassembly, quick replacement, magnesium chloride ball press roller improvement, save cost and labor, save time. 3. The feeding port is equipped with an adjusting plate to ensure the material forming. The compression ratio is controlled within a certain range. The pressure is strong and the pellet rate is high. 4. Can be processed according to user requirements of different specifications, shape of the ball and socket. Ball and socket, after grinding, high finish, easy to demolding. 5. The feeding port adopts mechanical pulling device and polymer wear resistant blocking liner, uniform feeding, to solve the problem of material accumulation in the feeding port. 6. Magnesium chloride ball press roller, overall quenching treatment of high strength, good wear resistance, long service life.